And as you saw, the DC Rally for Life, but that wasn't the only rally that was taking place in Washington, in the capital, DC. We also had over the weekend a COVID mandate rally, and those that were protesting these these masks and being forced to take the jab, the mandate to take the jab, they were out with protest rallies. And what was great to see was the amount of medical professionals, the patriot doctors, not the political doctors, but these doctors that have been in the forefront over the last 2 years, that have been treating patients and having protocols that have been saving lives, thousands of lives with their treatment. Doctors being doctors and treating their patients, and they were there in that rally, bringing the message out of things that they've seen and what has been taking place over the last 2 years, and the misinformation that we've been hearing over the last 2 years. And a tremendous rally, tremendous turnout, and there was a uniting of many different people from all aspects of the political sides, but they were coming together, knowing that this tyranny that's been taking place over the last 2 years has to stop. And they were out and in DC. Those patriot doctors, like Dr. Ryan Kolb, Dr. Pierre Corey, Dr. McCullough, Dr. Robert Malone, the inventor of the mRNA, was there and was bringing, was speaking to the crowd there. Tremendous rally all day, and all different, as I said, different peoples coming together from different perspectives, were coming together and joining together. And that's what's taking place right now. And we've been seeing the protests that have been going on for over a year now in Europe, protesting. It's finally people are gathering together and joining together to push back against this tyranny, and getting information that is critical for the citizens here in the United States to make an educated decision on what they're going to put in their body, in their arms, rather than just take it. We're telling you to take it, just do it. In fact, we're mandating you. No, not in America. And these doctors in this rally highlighted that fact. And I want to spotlight right now, I mentioned this person, maybe 3, 4, 5 months ago, and how I was impressed in what he did. He was standing alone pretty much alone, but it was Senator Ron Johnson who had brought people together, people that were adversely affected from the jabs, that he gathered a venue for them to come together and to just share what's been going on in their life and how these jabs have affected them adversely. Well, Senator Ron Johnson, after the rally there over the weekend, started a panel, or had gathered a panel of those patriot doctors, and primarily, well, not primarily, but some that you would be, if you're familiar with the FLCC. These are the doctors that have had the protocols to help treat patients that rather than sending them home. They have COVID, send them home and wait till they can't breathe, and then okay, let's go to the hospital, and oh yeah, we have remdesivir for you to take and a ventilator. No, these doctors were pushing early treatment and treating the patient. Doctor-patient relations, where how medicine has been in the past administered. Not from these political doctors, but doctors that are treating the patients and treating the symptoms. And Senator Ron Johnson gathered these doctors together. Again, as I mentioned, Corey and Cole, Dr. Ryan Cole, Dr. Malone, Dr. Harvey Reish. And they also had a lawyer who has some mind-blowing information regarding what's been taking place and the effect of these mRNA vaccines that have been affecting the military, and some of the adverse reactions that have taken place with the military, and the whistleblowers that have come forward that have the information. And this is coming out now of actually what has been taking place and what are the numbers that the military have been recording. And an eye-opener, for sure. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a look at this this panel that Senator Ron Johnson has put together and listen to their testimonies of what these Patriot doctors have been seeing, and give you a feel for that panel that Senator Ron Johnson was leading. And again, I want to give him kudos because he has been on the forefront, putting his influence out there. And Garrett, I can tell you, he had a lot of arrows coming at him, but it's important to get the truth out there, and Senator Ron Johnson has given voice to these Patriot doctors. Here, take a look.